Okay. Hello, good morning, children. So, what you all have to do for the clock activity, you have to take one circle and two needles you will make, one small and one big needle. Small needle showing the hour hand, and the big needle will show the minute hand. All right, and same way it will come out like this, and then you will have strips over it, and these strips are folded strips with the numbers written. All right, now I'll just tell you how to see the clock. Okay, children, suppose my small needle is on 6 and big needle is on 12. So can you tell me the time? What will be the time? Okay, children. Now, if small needle is on 12, okay, and big needle is on 1. If I say 1 means what? It is 5 minutes past 12, right? 5 minutes past 12. All right. If my small needle is on 12 and my big needle is on 3. So 3 means what? It means 15 minutes past 12. Right? Alright. Now, if your small needle is on 1 and listen, children, if your small needle is on 1 and your minute needle is on 6, so the time will be half past 1, right? Or 1:30. Yes. And if small needle is again on 1 and your big needle is on 9. So what will you say? Small needle is on, suppose it's on 3 and your big needle is on 9. So what will you say? What will be the time? 3:45 or 15 minutes to or 15 minutes to 12. 15 minutes to 12. And if it is on 10, then 10 minutes to 12 or 3:50, right? So now children, this clock helps you to learn time. You are able to see the time and understand the concept.